Everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add multiple accounts on your WhatsApp business. This is very quick and easy. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. Open your WhatsApp business and tap on top right three lines, three dots. Now tap on settings. Now scroll down and click on accounts. Now here you can see there is no option to add your another account on your WhatsApp business. How to add another account? Go to your mobile phone home screen and go to Play Store and download this application Parallel Space. After downloading this application, open you have to open this application. After that, tap on Add App. Click on this Add App. Now here you need to select the WhatsApp business. For example, here you have to select your WhatsApp. Now click on add parallel space. In this way you can create another account on your WhatsApp business or your simple WhatsApp. Now here you can see you need to select your language. Here you can also add your phone number, and in this way you can create your another account and you can use your multiple accounts on one device on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.